জয় বৃষভানু নন্দিনী রাধে রাধে, বৃষভানু নন্দিনী রাধে রাধে।
Jai Jai Shri Radhe everyone. This is the second verse of Shri Shri Prem Bhakti Chandrika by Srila Narottam Das Thakur Mahasaya. Translation based on the commentaries by Srila Vishwanath Chakraborty Pado and Shri Ananta Das Babaji Maharaj. Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Jena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamajham Dadati Swapadantikam. Translation. When will Sri Rupa Goswami, who established the wish on Sri Chaitanya's mind on the surface of the earth, give me a place at his lotus feet? Jai Jai Shri Radhe.
জয় রাধে জয় কৃষ্ণ, জয় রাধে